Hello everyone, welcome to the channel FX Marina. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up a dollar cost average bot in 3Commas using any of your exchange. For in this example I'm using my Binance exchange account. You can use any cryptocurrency exchange you have using 3Commas platform. So when you come to 3Commas platform, there are so many bots available like dollar cost average bot, grid bot, smart bot, hodl bot, option bots, and there are so many of bots, and in addition to that smart trades also available. So unlike in exchange, the exchange we have very basic order types, but when it's come to a platform like 3Commas, you have advanced trading features and trading bots and a lot of things you have in a platform like 3Commas. So that's why people use 3Commas, because we don't have time to spend at our computers looking at the charts, analyzing and all these things. So that's why people move to automated trading, so that they can make money while they are asleep. So if you don't know what 3Commas platform is, I will take to their official web page, and this is their plans available. If you are just a beginner, you don't have to pay any money. You just try the free version. So you can have one grid bot, one dollar cost average bot. So this is a dollar cost average bot. I'm going to show you how to set up this one. So you have a hodl bot, option bot, and one active smart trade. So these things are available at the free plan, so you don't have to pay anything, right? So if you are satisfied with these products, and if you think you can go for a paid subscription, then you have a starter package, advanced and pro package. So you can see the prices of this package, right? So when you go down, you can compare what are the things available in pro plans, what are the things available in advanced. These things also are available in the description, right? So if you're interested after trying a free version, if you think that you have to go for a paid subscription, I have put the link in the description. You can go and register an account, right? So the bot I'm going to show you works for you even in the free plan, so you should be worried about the paid plan. DCA dollar cost average bot works in the free plan as well. So I'm going to show you how to set up this bot, right? Let's move to this example. So I'm in my 3Commas platform. This I have linked my Binance account using API key, and if you don't know how to link your exchange account to 3Commas, I have done some videos about that. You can see them in the playlist, and once you connect it, you are ready to go with the bot setup, right? So today I'm going to show you dollar cost average bot. So you have to click on this icon, plus icon, then you will be directed to a page like this. So here the first thing, you have to select the exchange account. In my case it is Binance spot trading, because today I'm going to set up a bot in Binance spot trading, not in Binance futures or margin, nothing. So this is spot account, right? So the advantage of setting up bots in spot account is that you don't have a risk of liquidation. So this is the best thing that I like to use in the spot Binance spot trading, right? So here you can name the bot as you like, but first thing, here we have to select the pair you want to run. So I have some Ethereum remaining in my account, so I'm going to set the bot in a currency pair which is available with the Ethereum. So in this case, I'm planning to use Polygon and Ethereum. So I'm selecting this currency pair. So using Ethereum, because I have some Ethereum in my Binance account, so using my Ethereum, I'm going to buy Matic, right? Polygon, right? So here you can change the bot name as you like. So I can put here Matic Matic slash Ethereum longbot. So longbot means we are going to buy Matic using Ethereum, right? And here it will be a longbot because we are going to buy Matic here. The profit you can keep either in Matic or Ethereum, whatever you like. So it is up to you what you want to keep it here. This is a profit currency. Whatever the profit made would be in the selected currency, right? The base order type I'm going to put as 0.02. This is around $36. The base order means the first order, right? The start order type I would like to keep market. If you like, you can keep them limit as well, but just keep it market order. Then the deal start condition, there are so many conditions available: QFL, SecuX scalping, trading view, RSI, ULT, Bollinger Bands, TA presets, trading view, open trade as soon as possible. I prefer open trade as and new trade as soon as possible because this is a dollar cost average bot. I'm going to buy as soon as I set the bot. Then again, as the price goes down, I'm going to buy in a lower prices as well. So I'm planning to cover the bot around 20% market drop. So the first trade to be open new trade as soon as possible would be okay for me. But if you like to if you don't like to open a trade as soon as possible, you can go for other deal start conditions as well. For the moment, I just keep this one. And when it comes to take profit, there are two options, either percentage or conditions. So if you prefer percentage, you can type anything you like here. That means when you buy Matic using Ethereum, how much you want the profit in the first trade, right? It can be 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever you can put here. For the moment, I just put 1% because I want to exit the trade as soon as possible once the first trade is triggered, right? So take profit type, you can keep base percentage from the base order, or if not, percentage from the total volume. So percentage from the total volume means this bot is going to buy as the price of the Matic goes down, right? So it keeps on buying until you make the profit 1%, right? So if you don't like the percentage, you can go the conditions as well. There are so many conditions available. So about this condition, I have already explained in a different video. You can have a look if you are interested how to do this one. So basically what happens is it is not waiting for a 1%, but here it is waiting for a signal from the trading view to exit the trade, right? You can put trading view, RSI or whatever you like here, and the time frame and the condition here would be sell, because you are buying here using Ethereum, you are buying here Matic using Ethereum, then your exit condition would be sell. You need to sell when the trading view gives a sell signal at the 15 minutes time frame, right? So this would be condition or percentage, that would be your decision. So I just keep percentage. I'm not putting anything here like condition. You can choose one of these, right? So I prefer percentage, right? And one more thing in condition, I would like to show you that if you are planning to put a condition at trading view 15-minute sell signal, and it is always better to keep 1% minimum profit as well, because even this signal comes to close the trade. If you have not gained at least 1% profit, it is not going to close, because if you are not getting at least 1% profit, there is no that is not necessary to close a trade. That's not necessary to exit the trade. So that's why it is better to keep at least minimum profit 1% if you're going for a conditions, right? Okay, in my case, I just target profit 1% and percentage from total volume as well. So here I'm not going to activate stop loss because I'm using my Ethereum to buy Matic, right? But if you are using USDT, something like USDT, it is always better to go for stop loss, because the worst scenario would be if my trade is not going to make profit for me. The thing would be, the ultimate thing would be, I will be having more Matic by selling the Ethereum. So that would be alright for me, because Matic is also a good coin to hold for a long time. So I don't feel like that I don't have any danger in this one. So I just deactivate the stop loss, right? Then the safety order type, safety order size, I just keep 0.015. Because now you can see how I'm setting these things, then you will understand why I put here 0.015, right? So what happens in safety order means that after the first order execution, if the bot is not making 1% profit, it cannot exit. Then in case the market goes against you, that means if the market drops further, it is going to execute the safety order, right? The safety order size would be 0.015, and the price deviation to open safety orders, I just keep 1%. That means after buying the first order, if again 1% drop, it is going to execute a trade of value of 0.015 Ethereum. It's going to buy Matic after dropping 1% of the market price, right? Maximum safety order count, I prefer to keep at least 10, right? That means it is going to buy 10, it's going to execute 10 safety orders as the price goes down. So you can keep anything you like, but I prefer at least 10. The maximum active safety orders count, I don't like to keep 10. That would be, one would be enough, because it is not necessary to keep all pending orders in the order book in Binance account. So safety order 1 would be enough. Our target is 10, so it will go to Binance order book one by one. So that is the meaning of that one, right? Safety order volume scale, I prefer, as the price goes down, I prefer to buy more Matic, because the bottom price is better than the present price. As the price goes down, I'm planning to increase the amount of Matic buying. So I prefer at least 0.105 safety order volume scale. So here this amount would be multiplied by 1.05 at the second order, right? And safety order step scale, if I keep 1, you can see it is going to cover the 10% drop only, right? So it will be keep on buying it as the market goes down until the 10% drop. For my understanding, this 10% is not enough, so I'm going to increase this one at least 18% or 20%, I prefer, right? It comes around 15%, even that one not sufficient for me, right? Okay, at least 18% going to cover the market, right? So advanced settings, I'm not putting anything, I can just leave it as it is. And so our bot is already set up. So I have 0.82 Ethereum, but this bot is going to use 25% of my total Ethereum. So it is around 0.2, right? So I'll be having another 0.6 for my another orders, right? So this bot is going to allocate 0.2 Ethereum, right? 0.2 Ethereum, and that would be 25% of the total Ethereum I have, right? So if you're happy with this one, you can start the bot, but I prefer to go to the table and see one more time how my settings are going. The base order is going to execute. It is going to buy around 32 Matic as soon as the bot started. And once it buys this much of Matic, it waits until the price of Matic goes up with 1% profit, so it is going to close the trade. But if the market doesn't go up, if the market goes down by 1%, again around 25 MATIC will be bought, right? As the market goes down, it keeps on buying until the 17.5% market drops. So you can see how much MATIC is going to be bought. 32, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, like that. It keeps on buying as the market goes down, and it tries to close as soon as the total profit 1% gain, right? So that is the idea of this one, right? So you can see the price of MATIC related to Ethereum is 0.006, and the average price, you can see average price goes down. This is the first order average price, but you can see the average price goes down because you are buying more MATIC as the price goes down. So you need this much of price increase to get the 1% profit. That is would be very easy, and this is slightly above the average price, so you will be good to go with the 1% profit. So this is how this thing's going to happen. So you can have this table and have an idea how this one works for you. So if this all okay, you can start the bot. Then I will click on start button. Then bot has already been created. So then it will be directed to a new window. Bot still not started, bot created only. So the all settings are ready. Once you start this one, new order will be executed, right? So that is how we can set up a dollar cost average bot in 3Commas. This would be very useful because this kind of features you don't find in exchanges, because in exchanges they are providing you very basic order types, but when it's come to a platform like 3Commas, it gives you maximum operation styles or operation opportunities that you can make more profit. So that is the purpose of a platform you are using to make the trades automated. So I think you have already understood. If you have any question, please comment below in the comment section. I'm more happy to answer all your questions there. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next video.